Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are tackling a huge question about a microscopic material. You've likely heard of graphene, the one atom-thick sheet of carbon that's hailed as a wonder material. It's stronger than steel, a fantastic conductor, and incredibly lightweight. With all that hype, one question always comes up: could it stop a bullet? Is graphene actually bulletproof? Let's dive into the science. First, it's important to understand what makes something bulletproof. Materials like Kevlar work by being a dense web of very strong fibers that catch and deform a bullet, spreading its kinetic energy over a larger area. So, how does graphene stack up? In laboratory tests, the results are astonishing. Scientists didn't fire a real 9mm bullet at a person-sized sheet, but they did fire a micro-scale bullet made of silica at multi-layered graphene sheets, between 10 and 100 nanometers thick. They found that graphene was incredibly effective at absorbing and dissipating the energy from the impact, performing significantly better than steel or even Kevlar at that tiny scale. The graphene sheet stretched into a cone shape upon impact, like a microscopic trampoline, and the energy spread outwards at an incredible speed, preventing the micro-bullet from penetrating. This is where the hype comes from. However, there is a very big difference between a lab experiment and a real-world bulletproof vest. The first major problem is scale. Creating large, flawless sheets of graphene is incredibly difficult and expensive. Any tiny defect or impurity in the graphene's honeycomb lattice could become a critical weak point, causing the entire sheet to shatter upon impact. A real bulletproof vest needs to be reliable over a large surface area. The second issue is that while graphene is immensely strong, it's also quite brittle on its own. When it fails, it cracks. Kevlar, on the other hand, is designed to stretch and deform. So, what's the final verdict? A pure graphene vest that you can wear like a shirt is not a reality right now. It's simply not practical to produce. But that doesn't mean it's useless. The true potential for graphene in body armor lies in composites. By mixing flakes of graphene into other materials, like polymers or even the fibers used in current vests, we can make them significantly stronger without adding much weight. This could lead to the next generation of body armor that is thinner, lighter, and more flexible than anything we have today. So, is graphene bulletproof? The simple answer is no, not on its own in a practical sense. But it is a key ingredient that will almost certainly revolutionize bulletproof technology in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this topic interesting and want to learn more about the science of materials and technology, please consider supporting the channel. A simple like or a subscription helps us create more content just like this. We appreciate your curiosity, and we'll see you in the next video.